After successfully installing the VirtualBox, go to the website ubuntu.com. On their home page, click Download tab and select the Ubuntu Desktop 20.04 LTS because it is the latest version of Ubuntu which is released recently. The ISO file will be downloaded on your Windows operating system. This file is around 2.6 GB, so it will take some time to download. After downloading the file, go to VirtualBox and in the upper left, select New. Create name to your operating system and choose what type and version of the operating system you'll be installing. In the memory size, I generally provide the memory up to 2048 MB, which I think is enough, and click Next if done. In this part, just leave everything as default and click Create. You'll be asked to choose the type of file that you want to use for the new virtual hard disk. Just leave it as VDI and click on Next. After clicking Next, select the dynamically allocated so the guest operating system will not use the space on your physical hard drive. After clicking Next, decide the file location and you can select the size of the virtual hard disk to determine how much of the data of the virtual machine will be stored on your drive. When finished, click on Create. Next step, go to Settings. In general, you'll see the information you entered earlier. In System, you'll see the memory you previously allocated. Select the Processor tab if you want to adjust the processor slider. In Display, it's best to give your video memory as much as possible. Also, enable the 3D animation below for smoother experience. In Storage, this is where the ISO for Ubuntu will be added. Select the IDE. Below that, select Empty. Go to the right, select the disk to the right, and choose Virtual Optical Disk File. Find the location where you saved ISO file for Ubuntu and click Open. You don't need to change everything below Storage. When done, select OK to exit Settings. Now click on Start. Select Language and install Ubuntu. You can also type here to test your keyboard. After it, click Continue. Just leave the normal installation and download the updates and just click the install third party and continue. Select erase this and install Ubuntu and click on install now. Just click on continue. Select time zone and continue. Enter your name and other information needed and just continue. Wait for several minutes for the process. Restart computer in order to use the new installation. So this is the installed Ubuntu on your virtual box.